The next synthetic fiber is polyester. Let us start with introduction. See, poly means many and ester. Polyester, it is actually made up of repeating unit of chemicals called as esters. That is, it possesses many repeating unit of esters. So esters are the chemical substances which gives fruit to their smell. So fabrics which are sold by the names like polycot, polywool, terrycot, etc. So also this polyester fiber include terylene, terine, dacron. These fibers are generally obtained from the petroleum products and naturally contains the ester group as their main chain. Okay, so this term polyester most commonly referred to as polyethylene terephthalate, that is PET. So this polyester may be produced in numerous forms. That means they can produce in the form of sheets or in the form of three-dimensional shapes. So the fabrics which are made from these polyesters are more durable, affordable, strong, crease resistance, easy to wash, stain resistance and dry quickly. These fabrics are generally made from the fiber that does not get wrinkled easily. It remains crisp and easy to wash. So these polyesters are suitable for making the dress materials also. So these fibers are generally blended with other forms of fibers. So to get the better quality of fabrics, such as suppose as the name suggested, it is made by mixing two types. That is, for example, polycot. Polycot, it is a mixture of polyester and cotton. Just like polycot, polywool, it is also the mixture of polyester and wool. Okay, so the terylene, it is the most popular polyester which is also made from the petroleum. So the cloths made from blended fiber are more comfortable to wear other than made from the polyester. Okay, so some of the properties of these polyesters are resembled to the nylons. Now let us see about the properties of polyester. The first property of polyester is they may change their shape after the application of heat. When we heat these polyesters, they may change their shapes. At high temperature, they may be combustible, or if it is away from the flame, then it tends to shrink and also self-extinguish upon the ignition. Also, the next property is they are less or the low water absorption. These fibers have highly tenacity as well as low water absorption and the minimal shrinkage capacity. So in comparison to other industrial fiber, they are minimally shrinked. They have also improved the high wrinkle resistance in them. Also, polyester fibers are sometimes spun together with natural fibers to produce the cloth with the blended properties. Means they can combine with some of the natural fibers and to produce the better form, that is which has the some of the other blended properties. The next property is they are stain and the crease resistant. The next, they have the hydrophobic property. See, hydrophobic property, due to their hydrophobic property, they are widely used for making the jackets, that is jackets or the wind heaters, garments, etc. This is all about the properties of polyester. The next one is the uses of polyester. See, the polyesters, they are used in the uh, formation of ropes, fabrics for the conveyor belts, safety belts, coated fabrics and plastics. They are used in the reinforcements. Also these polyester fibers fills are also used to stuff the pillows, some of the comforters and also cushion paddings. So in all these things, polyesters are used. Polyesters are also used to make the bottles, films, tarpaulin, cannons, liquid crystal displays, holograms, filters, dielectric films for the capacitors, some film insulation of wires and the insulating tapes. Also, these polyesters are widely used as a finishing on high quality wood products. Such the high quality wood products means such as guitars, pianos, for giving the finishing to these guitars and pianos. These are used, and also for the vehicle interior these polyesters are used. The next one is the PET. See, PET means the polyethylene terephthalate. It is commonly abbreviated as PET, capital P, capital E, capital T. So it is the thermoplastic polymer. Thermoplastic polymers means, see, first thermoplastic means it is the plastic which is melt when exposed to heat and can be bent or remolded easily. So this type of plastic when exposed to heat can bend and remold easily whatever we want that form. So this PET can be recycled. It contains some of the chemical elements like carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, so on combustion these polyethylene terephthalate, that is PET, produces carbon dioxide and water. That is, on combustion the reaction occurs between carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They can form the product like carbon dioxide and water. This PET is less permeable than other low cost plastics. See, we use plastics, but plastics have the low cost. So instead of using these plastic, we have to use the PET because these are the less gas permeable. So is a popular material for making bottles for the carbonated drinks or for acid drinks such as fruit or the vegetable juices. It is used to it is used as a for making the utensils for the food trays, also for the films which are used as a base for the recording tapes. So it has the property of it is strong and abrasion resistant. Okay, so depending on its processing and the thermal history, it may exist in both as a transparent and as a semi-crystalline. Semi-crystalline means opaque. Opaque means it is not transparent and white material. Okay, semi-crystalline means opaque and white material. So this is all about the PET. The next one is the acrylic. Acrylic, it is also the synthetic fiber. It is the man-made fiber. So these fibers are synthetic fibers which closely resemble wool in its properties. Okay, so we wear sweaters and use shawls or the blankets in winter. So many of these are actually not made from the natural wool, though they appear to resemble a wool. So these are prepared from another type of synthetic fiber which is known as acrylic. Acrylic are also known as Orlon and acrylon fiber. So acrylic, it is the lightweight, soft and warm. It dyes very well and has the excellent color fastness. The next property of acrylic is it is resilient, restain in shape, resists the shrinkage and wrinkles. Acrylic has recently been used in the clothing as less expensive alternative to the cashmere wool due to the similar feel of the material. So its properties are same of wool. Okay, acrylic is resistant to oils, chemicals, and it is very resistant to deterioration from the exposure to sunlight. So due to all these properties, it is used in making the blankets. Okay, but as it has certain properties, but it has certain disadvantages. The first disadvantage of this acrylic is that it tend to fudge easily. It does not insulate the wearer as well as the cashmere wool. Okay, so this is the disadvantage of acrylic.